Something that might help you, I don't know what. Here with Apple Valley Farm. What is wrong with this angle of the camera? Exercising my right to bear arms today. Woo! All right. This is gonna go, no, not in this. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm Man. Today I got a quick tip for you. I'm in the middle of building a very tall assembly of signs. I've got a couple of 1x2s here, and I'm gonna join these together. So what I'm gonna do is what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take this dowel and I wanna put 2 of them right here. And then I want to drill 2 holes in this, and then I want them to meet up. I am gonna scab it together. I call it scabbing it together, because when these are together, then I want to have another hand is what I want. But then we're gonna put this on there, and that'll really help secure these up. But that's a whole nother thing. I want to show you what I'm doing to get these holes lined up so this joins up really nicely. So I've made this little jig right here, and it's just some 1x material that's square on here. Now I know when I get this and I put the end of my piece here, there we go. Now I'm going to trace that off. Now I'm going to take my 3/8 inch drill bit and I'm going to drill the holes here where I want them in the end of the board. That way, when I put both of the ends there and I drill the holes, they'll be in exactly the same place, and theoretically speaking, they'll match right up. So let's do it real quick. I'm gonna show you how that works. Woo, it's gonna be awesome. Here we go. Okay, so like I said, just to show you what I'm doing, I've got my jig here. I'm gonna put the board right there. Just take my pencil, I'm gonna trace that off. Now I know where I want to drill the hole. Now that doesn't have to be really specific, so I'm not going to do a whole lot of measuring. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it, and I know that's about where I want them. So I'm going to start with a small drill bit. I'm going to drill me a small pilot hole. That is just to make sure my large 3/8 inch bit doesn't drift, because I don't want it to drift at all. I don't want it to deviate from this. So I'm going to drill 2 small pilot holes, then go back and I'm going to drill my 3/8 inch holes, and then we're going to use this to drill into the end of the board. There you go. Easy, easy, easy. Was that the perfect joint? No. Were those things perfectly straight? No. But that's okay. It's not supposed to be. So, there you go. There's a quick tip for you. Just joining a couple of things together. And now we got a nice long piece, but we can break it apart and we can ship it in 2 short pieces. Alrighty. Hey, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Have any questions? Give me a shout. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe right here. Subscribe to our channel. Meet us, join us at applevalleyfarmga.com. Thanks a lot for hanging out. Have a great day. See you later. Go make something.